All right, ladies and gentlemen, for kicking this video off, I'm going to say that I guess for a lot of you that have followed me since the dawn of time, it's been a while too. I've been on YouTube for, I guess, 7 years plus, and I would say unequivocally that I have had absolute the worst luck finding anything worth mentioning from one of those Coinstar machines. Okay, it's the machines that you see in grocery stores, Walmart, any retailer that has one of these coin machines. People come in and they cash in their change. They empty out their piggy banks and they end up getting a voucher that they could either take in to get actual bills, dollar bills for, or they can, I guess, get like Amazon gift cards and, do a little donation and so on and so forth. So these machines have down below where you do the transaction of putting in all the money and sorting it through the hopper. There's a reject tray. Okay, the reject tray normally would spit out damaged coins, coins that are a little bit bigger, a little bit smaller than your traditional denominational stuff. Foreign coins, of course, are in the mix. And I guess on occasion, silver and gold. I've heard people have actually found gold, U.S. gold coins coming out of these. Ever so rare, but they pop up. And I end up reading about it maybe once, twice a year on like the forum sites and my Facebook pages and all that great stuff. And I'm always envious. Like, I don't go into grocery stores with enough frequency to say that I look at every single Coinstar, to warrant like a big find. But I found what is probably my biggest find ever in Coinstar. I think in one time in the past I found a silver dime when I was still living in the North Bay. And aside from that, you come across, 1 cent euro coins and so on. And yeah, it's nothing that's worth like making a video on. So much to my surprise, I was at actually a Walmart, not a local one. I was actually out of town conducting business. One coin in the reject slot, and it turns out it's this bad boy. I am not going to shy away from old classic silver coins. An 1888 S seated Liberty quarter. Awesome. It's one of those things that if you're not there for yourself, you just don't believe it. But shoot, I think this is worth talking about. I would, I hope you guys think that that this is definitely worth bringing up, because how often do you come across a classic coin? Okay, let alone a silver quarter. Condition's not great. It's maybe a VG. You got, enough details in the reverse feathers, and that the mint mark's there. You got somewhat of a rim on there. The denticles are getting a little soft. But I'm still in disbelief. This happened yesterday. Ended up not doing a video because I have a certain kind of like chronology of things I do for uploading videos, and I had posted one last night on the full steps proof nickels, but I wanted to kick off this morning in a huge way and say that I am just straight up happy as a clam right now over this find. It looks like the coin has been cleaned. It's not a straight shooter, circulation grade, problem-free type coin. It definitely has been cleaned at one point. You could tell right here in the date, see where it's all mucked up and greasy. You got hairlines and fields. For anyone that's attempted to clean coins with you know, various cloths and whatnot know that it's really difficult to get into these tight devices here. So that's like a big telltale sign. Around the stars, each star has some gunk and dirt and old toning. What can I tell you about the coin? 1.2 million pieces were produced through attrition. There's probably under 1 million. Probably a lot of these coins have been minted. Not a terribly low mintage coin for its standard, but what can I say? It's a heck of a find. It's worth about 15, 20 bucks, somewhere thereabouts. So it's as good as finding 90% silver half dollars in coin roll hunting. So that's kind of the equivalent value factor in all of this. I guess I'm not going to doubt myself going through the Coinstar machines ever again, because I'm going to say I hit it big. Yeah, no, this is fantabulous. And for a lot of other people that have found huge finds, I guess add me to the good old testimonial list of folks that have actually not quite struck gold, but struck some old 130-year-old silver. So I wanted to talk real briefly about my huge, big find yesterday in a Coinstar machine at the local Wally World. And, you know, I appreciate your guys' time. Thank you for all the support. I would imagine that more relatively unusual finds will be coming out here in the next few months, as people trade up their piggy banks to get ready for the holiday season like they usually do. So you're going to see a very diversified mix of coins, not only in those bankrolls for coin roll hunting, but also coins that are being turned in at these Coinstar machines. And for those of you that actually have banks, mostly on the East Coast, but you guys have banks with the machines that'll take coins. If you're lucky enough to, I guess, kind of buy those reject bags that they have in those things, those can hold some pretty nice things as well. But, wow, that is certainly incredible, and I don't know, that one is going to be near and dear to my heart for a long time. In the many years that I've searched through Coinstar machines, yeah, I have not pulled anything significantly worth talking about, but I'm glad to share it with you this morning. Please hit like if you enjoy the content this morning, subscribe, Blue Ridge Silverhound, and then somewhere here on the bottom left-hand corner is the bell. If you tap that, you will gain instant notifications on all my videos that come up as I upload them. As always, love you guys. Thank you for all the support. I really, really appreciate it. And yeah, we're going to hit 800 videos here real soon. It's quite a milestone. And, you know, I'm going to keep pumping out the content for you. But anyways, you guys have a fantastic morning, and I'll check back with you soon. Take care.